After the amazing successes of the helicopter, got a climbing the wall stunt car. Now, it claims to climb the wall. It was £9. It's worth a go. I don't think it says anything useful on the box. Choking hazard. I'm pretty sure that would choke most people. Yeah, let's have a go. It's got lights apparently. Let's have a look at it. I don't know how they make this and ship it for so cheap, but whatever. Right, so we have empty box. I don't know what that is, but that was there as well. Comes with, well, that'll be the charging cable, similar to the helicopter, I imagine. And I mean that looks good. I mean, even the control. I mean, can you hear it forwards? It clicks. I mean, that means it's just going to go all the way left, all the way right, or all the way back, or all the way forwards. So that's pretty good. Yeah. Now this thing is the car, obviously, and I'm guessing it's got some sort of fan or motor, so it must have a fan to suck it to the walls. Now, it must drive off these wheels here, not these. So, yeah, it's them ones. They're decorative. They don't even do anything. So yes, it must turn by, like, it'll spin it that way or that way. So that's how it goes, left or right. And I'm guessing these bits here need to stay on, because that'll be how it sucks itself to the wall. Now let's turn it on and see if it's charged. It looks smart, doesn't it? It's red. I went for red. And it's got a spoiler. See if it's charged up. If not, we'll have to come back and try this again. Well, it's going for some reason. You know what? I think this might actually work. Let's get some batteries in the controller. Sorry. What do you call it? It's not a joypad, is it? What's it called? I say joypad. Remote control. Oh, it's another one that needs a screwdriver. Why do they all need screwdrivers these days? Right, let's get some batteries for this. Right, so we're back. We have batteries. It took us a while to find batteries. Put them in a different place. Why doesn't that fit now? Because it's got batteries in it, does. Yeah, well, I don't know how you switch this on. Or is it just on? Yeah, it's just on. Okay, right. So you must just switch the car off, right? So, are we going to try this? I think we're going to try this on the wall. Not going to light you. That sounds promising. Right, let's go with this wall here. Ready? No way! Almighty, that surprised me a lot. It's not very controllable, as you've seen, but that is actually powerful enough to stick it to. Unfortunately, the ceiling's textured here, so we can't try on the ceiling, but I'm pretty sure if it sticks to the wall, it's going to stick to the ceiling. But that there, I don't know what I'm going to do with it for £9. I'm just going to have to give it away to somebody. But for £9, that was a good laugh for about 30 seconds. Yeah, I'm going to try and drive it across the top of the window now. See if we can do that. Let's have a next shot. Ready? stunt car, climbing the wall car. That was alright for £9. Played with it twice, that's probably it though. But it does exactly what it said it does, which very much surprised me. I'm going to give it like that kind of angle a thumbs up, because you're going to be bored after about 10 seconds. But maybe it's just because I'm an adult. It does say 3+. I don't know if that was people that should play with it or what, but excellent. I'm happy with that.